So comprehensive coverage covers your car, and it covers your car if it's something other than collision. So maybe a tree limb falls on your car when you're parked outside, or maybe there's flash flood and a bunch of water goes in and floods out your engine. Those are types of things where the comprehensive coverage would come in, and comprehensive coverage is less expensive than collision coverage. So, for example, for my own cars, I like to have my comprehensive coverage at $100, and I like to have my collision coverage at $1,000 or $2,000, depending on how often I drive it. The reason is, if somebody keys one of my cars, I can, pay $100, have it repainted. That's comprehensive coverage. Versus the collision coverage only covers if you are the person that causes the accident, because you collided, caused the accident. And that coverage is more expensive because when you do cause those accidents, you're looking at potentially thousands and thousands and thousands of dollars of damage. So that's why collision coverage is more expensive to cover. So that's a real quick little difference of collision and comprehensive coverage.
Lucas Bergado here. Thanks for watching. For more information on how to fuel financial freedom, please visit us at bankerwealth.com or give us a call at 619-230-5459. Thank you.